Today we are in the beautiful Cathedral National Park, which is still in northern New South Wales, just west of Coffs Harbour. Please find this detailed map in the description below, as well as some useful information in regards to flood and fires, weather and national park links. I've also got some links to the photography equipment I use if you're interested. This is part 1 of 4 where we're hiking along the loop towards the Cathedral Rock, and we leave from the Cathedral Rock National Park campground. It is September in Australia, which is spring, but it's still really quite cold up here in the northern tablelands, so we're rugged up today to start our hike. Doesn't look that pretty. So the floods went through here. No, I know. He's going up. You don't look at the sign. Right, so Cathedral Rock loop track, Cathedral Rock summit track. So that's 3 kilometres in again, is it, or something? I think if you go that whole way, it's 4.2. Summit walk intersection and rock climb 3. But you probably got to, does he have to go back? Okay, we just walk all the way around and go up. Yeah. It's almost like we're rubbed up with snow. Cathedral Rock Track is an exciting and challenging walk near the Baruki Campground and Round Mountain, offering scenic views across New England tablelands from the summit. It's around about a 6-kilometre loop if you don't get lost, and more on that later, and suggested times around 1.5 to 2.5 hours. It does range in grades from grade 3 to grade 5. Remember to bring drinking water, sunscreen and a hat, and remember the boulders can get slippery when wet, and take your binoculars if you can to do some bird watching along the way. Dropped off and walked there. Yeah, still perfect. Yeah. Amazing. As you walk along, you'll notice a significant amount of fire damage all through this area. Unfortunately, this fire was caused by someone that deliberately lit it in the Gyra area, and it caused extensive damage up and down, including nearly wiping out a town called Ebor, which is quite close. The blaze had burnt more than 15,000 hectares, and some surrounding fires had burnt more than 200,000 hectares in this region alone. Please be mindful of all fire safety information before embarking on walking tracks throughout this area of Australia. You can climb up and get some good vision. Yeah, I'm really happy with this gimbal though. Yeah. Wow. This bird. Just be normal. Heading. In part 2, you'll find us scrambling up Cathedral Rocks Summit Walk, which is a grade 5 level. We ended up turning the wrong way and spent a significant amount of time on the wrong side of the mountain trying to get through. Stay tuned, it's worth a watch.